Chapter 1. Online Money-Making Myths versus Real Opportunities. Introduction. Why most people fail at making money online. Let's face it, if you're reading this, you're probably tired of the garbage floating around the internet. You've seen the YouTube ads with rented Lambos, the fake income screenshots, and the Instagram gurus selling lifestyle dreams. The truth is, most of those promises are pure BS. They're not designed to help you, they're designed to make them rich off of you. This chapter is a full-on reset. We're going to wipe the slate clean and start from scratch. You'll learn the core truth about making money online. It's possible, but it's not magic. It's business. You trade value for income. That's it. Myth number 1. Passive income happens overnight. Passive income is real, but it's not instant. People hear passive income and imagine money raining from the sky while they sleep. What they don't see are the months or years of setup, work, failed attempts, testing, and stress. Reality, passive income starts as active income. You build systems, a blog, a YouTube channel, a course, and then automate them. Anyone promising instant results is selling snake oil. Myth number 2. You need to be an expert to start. No, you don't need to be a guru. You just need to be one step ahead of someone else. The internet rewards execution more than perfection. Start messy. Learn publicly. You'll improve faster by doing than by waiting to feel ready. Reality, start with what you know, teach what you learn, sell what you've used. Authenticity wins in 22.5. Myth number 3. You need a huge following. Followers help, sure, but what? Loyal customers are better than 10,000 passive fans. You can make serious money with a small but targeted audience. Niche equals profit. Reality, micro-influencers and niche service providers are dominating right now. You don't need everyone, you need the right ones. Myth number 4. You need to be tech-savvy. Tech helps, but today's tools are drag-and-drop easy. AI, assistants, one-click stores, Canva templates. It's easier than ever to launch a brand, product, or service. Reality, you just need to start. You can learn everything else as you go. Perfection is the enemy of profit. The 3 real requirements to make money online. Value skill: writing, design, editing, teaching, consulting, etc. A digital platform where people find you. YouTube, TikTok, your website, a way to get paid, PayPal, Stripe, Gumroad, Ko-Fi, affiliate link, etc. If you have these 3, you're ready. Chapter 2. The 5 proven online income paths. Intro. You don't need 20 different hustles, you need one method. You go deep with these 5 models have built 6-figure incomes for real people. They work. Pick the one that fits your skills, time, and personality. 1. Freelancing. Get paid for your skill platforms. Upwork, Fiverr, Contra, People per Hour. Top services in 2025. Copywriting and SEO. Video editing for TikTok Reels, YouTube. Notion consulting. Setup, prompt engineering. Social media management. Pros, fastest way to cash. Build portfolio as you go. Cons, time for money model, harder to scale. Point 2. Content creation. Build, teach, entertain platforms, YouTube, TikTok, Medium, podcasts, monetization, ads, YouTube partner program, sponsorships, affiliate, link selling, digital products. Pros, long-term growth, authority building, brand, leverage. Cons, takes time, needs consistency. 3. Digital products, sell once, earn forever. Ideas, Notion templates, finance, productivity, niche hobbies, mini courses, Skillshare, Gumroad, Podia checklists, planners, scripts, AI. Scalable, passive, once built. Cons, requires upfront effort and marketing. 4. Affiliate marketing. Promote, don't create how it works. You earn a commission when someone buys a product through your unique link. Best niches in 2025, software, AI tools, SaaS, online courses, platforms, gadgets and productivity tools. Top platforms, Amazon Associates, Impact, Partner Stack, individual product sites. Pros, no product creation, recurring income possible. Cons, requires traffic, content or email list. 5. E-commerce and dropshipping, sell physical goods. Platforms, Shopify, Etsy, Amazon, TikTok Shop. Trending products, AI toys, health and wellness, gadgets, digital planners with physical times. Pros, big potential. TikTok organic traffic is insane. Cons, logistics, returns, ad costs. Chapter 3. From $0 to $1,000 month. Real plans at work. Intro. Stop watching, start building. This chapter is about execution, what to do for 30 days to make your first $1,000. plan. A. Freelancing 30-day launch plan. Week 1. Identify your most marketable skill. Build a Fiverr plus Upwork profile. Create 3 sample projects. Week 2. Start pitching. Send 10 tailored proposals. Day. Offer first gigs at a discount for reviews. Week 3. Deliver fast. Over-deliver always. Ask for testimonials. Build momentum. Week 4. Raise rates slightly. Use client feedback to create a strong gig portfolio. Toolbox, Grammarly, Canva, ChatGPT, Google Docs, Trello. Plan B. YouTube content creator. Plan. Week 1. Pick a niche. Finance, AI tools, self-improvement, script. 5 video ideas. Make a faceless channel. Week 2. Use CapCut to script to edit. Use AI voice or record your own. Upload 3 videos. Week 3. Promote on Reddit, Quora, TikTok. Focus on search-based titles. Week 4. Monetize with affiliate links plus grow to 100 subscribers. Toolbox, YouTube Studio, vidIQ, Canva, CapCut. Plan C. Affiliate blog or page. Week 1. Pick a product you use. Write a review plus tutorial. Use Medium or free blog platform. Week 2. Share on Reddit, FB groups, Quora. Week 3. Add 3 more posts. Link them internally. Build a basic email list. Week 4. Promote with Pinterest, YouTube Shorts, Toolbox, Notion, WordPress.com, Canva, ConvertKit. Plan D. Digital product creator. Week 1. Identify a problem you can solve. Make a simple Notion template or PDF. Week 2. List it on Gumroad, Ko-Fi, Etsy. Create mockups using Canva. Week 3. Make a YouTube, TikTok showing how it works. Week 4. Launch discount. Collect testimonials. Optimize based on feedback. Toolbox, Canva, Notion, Gumroad, Loom. Chapter 4. Scaling up from hustle to automated income. Intro. Making $500 1K month is great. Now let's turn that into $5,000, $10,000 month with automation, systems, and smart reinvestment. Step 1. Automate what you can. Use tools like Zapier to auto-send files, emails, tasks. Use AI like ChatGPT to help write scripts, captions, customer reply. Schedule content in batches. Buffer metrical. Step 2. Outsource what you hate. Hire a virtual assistant VA for admin tasks. Hire an editor for YouTube or podcast work. Use platforms like onlinejobs.ph, Fiverr, Upwork. Step 3. Build repeatable systems. Create standard operating procedures, SOPs. Use Notion or Trello to manage your workflows. Build a content calendar and repurpose old content. Step 4. Reinvest wisely. Upgrade tools, paid versions of Canva, Descript, email tools, test, low budget, paid ads, TikTok, Instagram. Build a micro team. Editor, writer, customer support. Step 5. Build a brand, not just a side hustle. Start an email list, early ConvertKit, Behave. Collect feedback and testimonials. Your services, products as a brand. Launch a simple landing page card. Framer, WordPress. Conclusion. Online income is real if you're real about it too. Don't need to chase shiny objects. You don't need a perfect plan. You just need to start. The people winning online right now aren't the smartest or richest. They're the ones who started 6 months before you. So start now. Take action, stay consistent, and remember, this guide is your roadmap. Use it, tweak it, and grow your own online empire.